Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about how to deal with negative Facebook comments that people leave on your ads. But first, definitely do not forget to join Ad Federation. It's my free Facebook mastermind group. It just started. It's just me and a couple of high-level spending marketers, who spend tons of money on Facebook. So now it's the best time to join, because it's growing. And you will also have direct communication with me. So definitely join Ad Federation. There are a couple of reasons why comment management is super important. First, if you are managing your comments properly, you are engaging with people. Facebook will kind of look at it that it's good at, it's engaging, with those other people, so they are spending quality time on your ads. They don't care if it's bad time, for them. But still, it will push you, up because your ad is engaging. Second thing is that if you are leaving a lot of bad comments on your ads, other people will see it, and you are literally decreasing your sales, and it's on your fault. So you need to hide all these comments, otherwise they are kind of damaging you. What people do wrong, that a lot of people just are banning and deleting people. I don't think that's a good idea, I think it's also bad message to Facebook. A lot better is to always engage with people, okay? So if somebody is, for example, sending you some bad message and how they purchase that product or whatever, don't just ignore it. It doesn't matter if they purchase it from some other person, some other store. We always respond to that message, just to be sure it's not a person that was in our store. Because then if you are ignoring a lot of bad messages from people, bad comments, you are putting yourself in position where you can get chargebacks, which is not cool. So that's one thing. If you are ignoring people, you will get chargebacks, because some of these people who just commented, maybe they purchased from you a couple months ago and you just ignore them. And well, if you are getting a lot of messages from people who didn't even purchase from you, that's still good. You can upsell them some other things, if they purchase from somebody else, like we are doing it in our stores. So definitely watch my previous video, because it was about how I sell, through comments. When people are already commenting on my ads, we are offering them some other products and trying to engage them in conversation. We are asking them questions, about their life and whatever, and basically based on that they buy, because we create that connection. So definitely watch that video. Like I said, it's a very bad idea to just ignore it. It's a lot better idea to always take that comment and try to deal with that person. And if that person is somehow idiot, and not really nice, trying to throw at you a lot of these bad words, then just hide him, and that's it. But then in that case I would probably ban that person as well, if he's really asshole, and for example, sometimes it's okay to just hide, but if that person is still asshole, it's very difficult, and sometimes they will just comment on other comments, so you will basically end up with 20 different comments from that person. And well, in that case, definitely ban that person. But that's 1 in 1,000,000, most people will not do it, because they will look like idiots. So most people will be okay if you just respond to them, talk about that situation, and then explain them that they purchased it in different store. If they didn't purchase with you, you can even tell these people to Cordell Bank, that there is a lot of scammers around and they should protect themselves, At least your competitor who is selling completely same product like you will get a couple of extra chargebacks, that month. Let's check one example here. I ordered 2 of them 3 months ago, angry smile. It is from China and still hasn't arrived, beware. We responded, hi, name. It is not possible. Did you buy from us? Can you please tell me what name you used to place your order so I can find it in our system and check? Thank you. Because it's not possible since we are sending everything from US warehouse. Hi. Sorry, different company, but the name. You can order on our website and you will get it in 4 to 6 days. Get this awesome deal today. Additional play or order here, blah blah. So you can see that sometimes people will just put some negative comment, you will engage with them and you will immediately understand that that person is not your customer but some other customer, but still you can pitch him some other product. So like I said, it's important to speak with your people, in those comments, because it will help you to increase that engagement and Facebook will push you up, so you will sell a lot of things for less money. It's very important. So definitely do not ignore people. Don't just blindly, ban them or delete their comments. Try to always engage, even with some idiots. They are like not nice at you. So definitely do that. Download my free Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. I wrote it, to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, if you got flagged, or maybe you plan to get flagged. So, that book will take you out of the darkness. So definitely download my free ebook and join Ad Federation, because now is the best time. I will see you in the next video. Bye.